Hello everybody, this is Peggy Mercer with a great little bit of announcement for you about a book. And this here is Bulldog, and Bulldog is my little baby. He's been to the vet and he's a lot better, but he wants to make an announcement. He and I have written a Halloween book that you teachers and you mothers of little elementary school kids are going to love. And that little book is going to take you for a ride and then some. And then it's going to give you an activity so that the little scary Halloween project, and I see that Bulldog is going to get down before he bites me. He's bad. I'm telling you, he's bad. Okay, go ahead and go, Bulldog. So I wanted to tell you guys, I have a Halloween book. It is on Amazon live right now. It is, there's an ebook out and it's a paperback book with a beautiful blue cover. If you will see a little bit of it right here. This is the cover here. And it is for 6 through 8, ages 6 through 8. It is just the cutest thing you've ever heard tell of. And let me tell you why this is so great. This little book brings the scares. It is just scary little story. You are going to love it. As a former teacher, I will tell you that anytime a teacher can find a project, then she's going to get the entertainment of the story, and she's also going to get an activity at the end of this little book that is going to include a teacher's lessons plan and a student's guide plan excuse me, for students to write their own stories, their own ghost stories using local lore. So the students are going to get the scares. And we all love Halloween. We love to laugh and holler and trick or treat around and so on and so forth. We love to dress up and put on costumes. Oh, what fun it is. And so we're going to love Halloween stories. And this teacher, this homeschool teacher, this mother, this grandmother is going to get this little book. And they are going to read and share this story with those children. Now, let me tell you something. I know a second grader that can read to her class. So your children are already learning words, and this is just perfect for them. And so you are going to get the book. And then when that book is over and the scares are over, a lot of times at Halloween when the trick-or-treating is over, what else is there, Mom? Where's the beef? And so what we're going to do is we are going to have an activity in the class where the children are going to spend probably even a couple of days. Wouldn't that be fabulous? And they're going to write their own stories using their own brain, using what words they know. And, of course, they may get in little groups and have some help with that. This is a book, a little bitty story based on local lore from Cogdale, Georgia, where a ghost goes out in a big field and scares them all. They go on a hayride. This is most ghost tour, and it goes to a cemetery, an old haunted house. It's all there. Everything you want in a great Halloween book is in there, and I'm so excited about it. The title is Both Cried, Holy Smoke, a Ghost. Holy smoke, a ghost. This little book is probably a little bit more than 2 packs of chewing gum would cost, or something like that. It is on Amazon right now. It is live. I expect to share it with you all you moms and grandmoms. Get this book, okay? Every teacher out there, get this for your classroom activity. You will be so thrilled with this little scary story and classroom project included. The book is teacher approved. I'm so sorry. I'm, like cornbread some days. But anyway and anyhow, the book is teacher approved. I was formerly a certified school teacher. I know what I'm talking about, people. Anyway and anyhow, The book was created originally for a gifted program for a whole school district, and I've had thousands of kids enjoying the book so far, and I want to thank everybody that jumps in there and loves Mo cried, "Holy smoke, a ghost." I'll see you later with more. One thing I do want to mention, this little book, and I add this to it, a P.S. This little book is part of a series of little books that I have started writing called Little Red Writing, and that's WRITING Hood, HOOD, Little Red Riding Hood Learning Books for Children. And I'm Peggy Mercer. I'm an author. We'll see you later with more great stories.